In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of QuickBooks Payroll and help you understand if it's the right tool for managing employee payments, taxes, and payroll compliance without adding unnecessary stress to your business. If you run a small business, manage a team, or even handle payroll for a growing freelance business with contractors, QuickBooks Payroll is designed to simplify one of the most stressful parts of running a company. Before using a dedicated payroll system, many small business owners calculate wages manually, track tax withholdings on spreadsheets, and constantly double-check that deductions are correct. That process is time-consuming, stressful, and leaves room for errors. With QuickBooks Payroll, the workflow becomes automated, structured, and much easier to manage in one place. One of the biggest benefits is speed and accuracy. QuickBooks Payroll calculates wages, tax withholdings, and deductions automatically. It supports both hourly and salaried employees, and even contractors in some regions. Compared to handling payroll manually, the system reduces errors and ensures compliance with local tax regulations. You can also set up automatic payments, meaning employees get paid on time every cycle without extra effort. This is a huge time saver for small business owners who want to focus on their business rather than chasing payroll details. In real-world use, QuickBooks Payroll streamlines the workflow from start to finish. You enter hours or salaries, confirm deductions, and run payroll with just a few clicks. The system handles direct deposits, prints paychecks if needed, and even generates payslips for employees automatically. Over time, this reduces stress, prevents late payments, and keeps your team happy. Before switching to QuickBooks Payroll, many businesses spend hours manually checking calculations or correcting errors. After using it, payroll becomes almost effortless, leaving you more time for growth and client work. Another strong feature is tax management. QuickBooks Payroll calculates, files, and pays payroll taxes automatically for most regions. This minimizes the risk of penalties or missed deadlines. For small businesses that don't have dedicated accountants, this feature alone can prevent serious headaches. In addition, QuickBooks Payroll integrates with other QuickBooks tools, so employee expenses, benefits, and accounting data stay connected and accurate. There are a few things to consider. QuickBooks Payroll is more powerful than simple payroll spreadsheets or lightweight tools, so it may feel like overkill for very small operations with only 1 or 2 employees. Setting up employees, tax information, and payment schedules requires some time initially, though once configured, the process becomes very smooth. Cost is another factor. While it adds value in time saved and compliance security, it is a paid service, unlike some very basic free tools. QuickBooks Payroll works best for small to medium-sized businesses, startups with growing teams, and anyone who wants to avoid payroll errors, automate employee payments, and maintain compliance without hiring extra staff. Compared to manual tracking, spreadsheets, or less integrated solutions, it balances professional-grade features with ease of use. For businesses that want a reliable, all-in-one system that grows with the team, QuickBooks Payroll is a strong choice. Let me know in the comments if you've tried QuickBooks Payroll or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.